So here we are, near the hole in the ice. Ossie is very nervous. It's been a long time since he doesn't do that. These bubbles make the water circle so it doesn't freeze. It's very easy. Just step near the hole and let the gravity do the rest. Are you ready?
Yeah, now we're going to sauna.
Let's go. Here comes the man. The penguins are coming. Let's watch where they go. Terve.
Joo, kyllä.
Mukaan.
Joo, kyllä. Me ollaan tulossa. Mä tultiin ensin ihmettelemään, että miltä tää näyttää.
Tähän jää koukkuun. Se on elinkautinen etu. Joo.
It's crazy. And don't put your head in, right?
Yeah.
And then come off. Very, very good. Hyvä.